Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing some really easy gardening tips that anyone can do to grow a vegetable garden. My first tip is totally to stick to the 7 vegetables that anyone can grow, green thumb or not. And that includes cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, eggplant, lettuce, herbs, and of course peppers. While a lot of people do buy seeds, I always buy these little seedlings that are already started. Less chance of me wrecking it. Just dig a hole, plop those in, cover it up, and you are all set. I really also like using a black gardening cloth to cut down on the weeds, but you can use newspaper as well, and then covering that with mulch. This is going to mean way less weeding and way less watering. Next, it's all about the poop. You can't forget the poop. You have to spread manure. I know it sounds disgusting, but it's the secret sauce to having your vegetables grow huge and be extra it's the poop. I don't know, it makes them extra delicious. So don't skip this step. Get some organic fertilizer. Once your plants start growing, it's so important to pinch off some of the end leaves. It's called pruning your plant. Not only will that make your plant grow taller instead of wide, but it's also going to have more energy to put into your actual vegetables. And then just water them. Definitely depends on your climate and how much rain you've had, but you want to make sure that the soil slightly dries out in between watering. For me, I water twice a week. We use trellises to train our cucumbers to grow up so we can have more and they're not laying on the ground rotting. And we also use really inexpensive tomato cages for the tomatoes, and you can use them for peppers as well. If you're short on space, you can totally grow your vegetables in a pot. And actually, I have my herb garden in a pot. This little pot grows thyme and rosemary and lettuce and kale and different types of oregano and basil. There is so much going on in this pot. And if you stack a smaller pot on top of a bigger pot, you can add even more things to your potted vegetable garden. There's nothing better in the summer than going to your garden and picking fresh cucumbers and tomatoes to make a side salad, add a little feta cheese and some, Greek salad dressing, and you have a side dish. We also love barbecuing zucchini in the summer with some balsamic vinaigrette on top. I'm going to include a link below to all of my favorite summer recipes using everything that I grow in this easy garden. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own vegetable garden today. I promise you, if you stick to these 7 vegetables and some of these easy tips, you are going to have an amazing garden before you know it. So thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So the last video I was wearing a t-shirt, I made this introvert t-shirt I was really excited about. I actually made the t-shirts on Teespring and was selling them, and people bought them, and I posted it on Instagram before someone realized that I made a spelling mistake. I spelled separately wrong. Not only did I wear it all day, I made these t-shirts. I sold these t-shirts with a spelling mistake. So I'm dying here, okay? I'm so embarrassed. I have to contact, if you bought one, I have to ship you a new one, so please let me know. But I'm dying, and I'm at the grocery store still wearing the t-shirt with the spelling mistake, and the lady behind me kindly let me know that my seam had split in my capris, and my granny panties were on display for the entire grocery store to see. I've had so many fails yesterday. I'm just feeling a little sorry for myself. So again, I apologize if you ordered a t-shirt that's spelled separately wrong. That's not the Canadian way to spell it. I'm just a moron. Please let me know and I will send you a new one. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. We didn't get anything to poop, but the poop's under the mulch.